Understanding the role of a wedding planner. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of English vocabulary and culture: wedding planners. Whether you're learning English for personal or professional reasons, understanding such terms can enrich your language skills and cultural knowledge. So, let's dive in and learn all about what a wedding planner is and does. A wedding planner is a professional who assists with the design, planning, and management of a client's wedding. They are often hired to make the wedding planning process smoother and less stressful for the couple. Wedding planners have a wide range of responsibilities, from selecting venues and vendors to coordinating the day's events. Wedding planners wear many hats. Their primary role is to ensure that everything runs smoothly both in the planning stages and on the wedding day itself. Key responsibilities include budget management, helping the couple plan and stick to their budget; vendor coordination, selecting and liaising with vendors like florists, photographers, and caterers; timeline creation, developing a timeline for the wedding and making sure everything adheres to this schedule; problem solving, handling any unforeseen issues that may arise. To be successful, a wedding planner needs certain skills and qualities, such as organization, keeping track of numerous details and tasks; communication, effectively discussing ideas and plans with the couple and vendors; creativity, designing a wedding that reflects the couple's style and preferences; stress management, staying calm under pressure and solving problems quickly. Couples might choose to hire a wedding planner for several reasons: to save time and reduce stress during the wedding planning process, for their expertise and knowledge in the wedding industry, to ensure that their wedding day runs smoothly and efficiently. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a wedding planner is and what they do. Whether you're planning a wedding or just curious about this profession, it's a wonderful example of how language and culture come together in real-life scenarios. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.